So you're trying to decide between Cryptomator and VeraCrypt. And even though both promise strong encryption, they solve two very different problems. One is built for cloud files, the other is built for drives and systems. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is right for you. Cryptomator is a client-side encryption tool that protects files before they sync to Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, pCloud, WebDAV, and similar services. VeraCrypt is a disk and volume encryption tool that shines when you need encrypted containers, external drives, partitions, or even a Windows system drive. First, Cloud Sync. Cryptomator encrypts file by file, including file names and folder structure, so your cloud provider sees scrambled data while sync still works like normal for day-to-day edits. VeraCrypt can live in the cloud too, but because data usually sits inside one big encrypted container, even small changes can be annoying for sync and re-uploads. Winner is Cryptomator because it was built for cloud workflows and VeraCrypt really was not. Second, device level protection. VeraCrypt can encrypt a USB drive, a whole partition, or a Windows boot drive, and it also offers hidden volumes, while Cryptomator only protects vaults and folders instead of your entire machine or operating system. That makes VeraCrypt the better fit for laptops, removable media, and serious local protection. Winner is VeraCrypt, because if you want full drive or system encryption, Cryptomator is the wrong category. Third, everyday usability. Cryptomator feels more modern, has official mobile apps, and adds nice quality of life stuff like Touch ID, Windows Hello, and easier vault access. VeraCrypt is powerful, but it still feels more like a power tool, especially if containers, mounted volumes, and technical settings do not sound fun. Winner is Cryptomator because it is faster to learn and easier to live with every day. Now, pricing. Cryptomator has a free desktop app for personal use on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Its first paid option is about 30 euros as a one-time purchase for full mobile access on Android or iPhone. And business users can also look at Cryptomator Hub, which has a free community plan with 5 seats, paid per seat teen plans, and custom enterprise pricing. VeraCrypt is free and open source, with no official paid tier or subscription that I could verify. So for most users, it is basically a zero cost tool, unless you want to donate. Best value is pretty clear. VeraCrypt gives you the most encryption power for no money, while Cryptomator is the better value if cloud convenience matters more than absolute cost. Check the links in the description for current pricing. If you're a freelancer or student keeping files in Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, pick Cryptomator. If you're an IT minded user encrypting a laptop, backup drive, USB stick, or offline archive, pick VeraCrypt. If you run a small team and want encrypted sharing without ditching your existing cloud storage, Cryptomator makes more sense. If you specifically want hidden volumes or Windows system encryption, pick VeraCrypt. Also, if you are already tied into Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, or another sync service, Cryptomator lets you add privacy without changing storage platforms. The biggest mistake is treating Cryptomator and VeraCrypt like direct replacements. They overlap on encryption, but not on the job they are trying to do. My pick is Cryptomator for most people, because most people are really asking how to protect cloud files, not how to encrypt an entire operating system. But if your real goal is disk, partition, or full system encryption, VeraCrypt wins without debate. I have got both links in the description. Like and subscribe if this helped.